Hello, gentlemen. If you're dealing with circulation issues and notice you're feeling more tired than usual, there's one simple mixture that can boost your blood flow and intimate health faster than you might imagine. I'm talking about something so basic that it's sitting right there in your kitchen. Yet most men over 50 have no idea how powerful this combination really is. I'm Dr. Sarah Hewitt, and welcome back to Beyond the Pill channel, where we explore natural solutions that actually work for men's health. Today, we're diving deep into the science of sea salt and water. Not just any salt, but mineral-rich sea salt that contains over 80 trace minerals your body desperately needs. I'm going to show you what recent studies reveal about mineral deficiency in men and how this affects everything from your energy levels to your performance in the bedroom. We're going to cover the exact minerals that matter most for circulation, how to prepare this mixture correctly so you actually absorb these nutrients, the specific timing that maximizes benefits, and at the end, I'll give you a complete protocol you can start using today. Here's something that might surprise you. Research shows that up to 75% of men over 50 are deficient in key minerals like magnesium and potassium, and this deficiency directly impacts nitric oxide production, the same mechanism that affects erectile function and overall cardiovascular health. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me your first name and what city you're watching from. Have you ever tried natural mineral supplementation before? Hit that subscribe button if you want more evidence-based natural health content, and let's get started with the first key principle you need to understand, starting with the most important factor, the science behind why these specific minerals can transform your circulation. Let's talk about what's really happening inside your body when you consume high-quality sea salt. Unlike regular table salt, which is basically pure sodium chloride stripped of everything beneficial, real sea salt contains a complex matrix of minerals that work together like a symphony. The three superstars here are magnesium, potassium, and zinc. And here's why each one is crucial for your circulation and intimate health. But here's something crucial that most people don't know. Quality sea salt doesn't contain added iodine, which is actually a good thing for your health. You've probably been told that iodine is essential. But here's what the research actually shows. Excessive iodine intake, especially from processed table salt, can disrupt thyroid function and contribute to inflammation. Natural sea salt provides trace amounts of iodine in its organic form, which is what your body can actually use without the negative side effects. This is one of the key reasons why switching from regular table salt to mineral-rich sea salt can make such a dramatic difference in how you feel. Now let's address the elephant in the room, blood pressure. You've been told that salt raises blood pressure, right? Well, that's only half the story. Regular table salt, especially when combined with processed foods, refined sugars, and a sedentary lifestyle, absolutely can contribute to hypertension. But mineral-rich sea salt works completely differently in your body. The magnesium and potassium naturally present in sea salt actually help regulate blood pressure by supporting proper vascular function. Magnesium is what I call the relaxation mineral because it literally helps your blood vessels relax and dilate. When you're deficient in magnesium, which most men over 50 are, your arteries become stiff and constricted. Think of it like trying to water your garden with a kinked hose. Studies show that men with adequate magnesium levels have significantly better endothelial function, which is fancy medical talk for your blood vessels work the way they're supposed to. This directly translates to better blood flow everywhere, including where you want it most. The beautiful thing about getting these minerals from sea salt dissolved in water is bioavailability. When minerals are in solution, your body can absorb them much more efficiently than from pills or capsules. Plus, the natural ratios found in sea salt have been refined by millions of years of ocean chemistry. It's a formula that your body recognizes and knows how to use. This isn't some synthetic supplement created in a lab. It's nutrition the way nature intended, without the harmful additives that make regular salt problematic. Now that you understand the science, let's get practical. The preparation of this mineral water is crucial. Do it wrong and you'll miss most of the benefits. Do it right, and you'll start noticing changes within the first week. Here's the exact formula that works. 1/4 teaspoon of high-quality sea salt dissolved in 8 ounces of filtered water. Not tap water, not distilled water. Filtered water that still contains some natural minerals but removes the chlorine and other chemicals. The type of sea salt matters more than you might think. You want unrefined, unprocessed sea salt that looks slightly gray or pink. This tells you it still contains all those trace minerals we talked about. Avoid anything that's pure white and flows like sand. That's been processed and stripped of nutrients just like table salt. Celtic sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, or real Mediterranean sea salt are your best options. The salt should feel slightly moist and have visible mineral specks. That's how you know it's the real deal. Here's the timing that makes all the difference. Consume this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because your stomach acid is at its strongest after fasting overnight, which means maximum mineral absorption. Plus, your body is naturally dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours without fluids, so it's primed to absorb every drop. Drink it slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. Don't gulp it down like a shot. Your digestive system needs time to recognize and process these minerals properly. Temperature matters too, and this might surprise you. Room temperature or slightly warm water works best. Not ice cold, not hot. Cold water can shock your digestive system first thing in the morning and actually reduce absorption. Warm water helps dissolve the salt more completely and is gentler on your stomach. If you want to enhance absorption even further, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The vitamin C and citric acid act as natural absorption enhancers for minerals. The mixing technique is simple but important. Add the salt to your water and stir until it's completely dissolved. No grains should be visible at the bottom. If you're preparing it the night before, that's fine, but give it another stir in the morning. Some people like to prepare a larger batch and keep it in a glass container, but I recommend making it fresh each morning. This ensures maximum potency and prevents any degradation of the mineral content over time. Let's dive into what's actually happening in your body when you drink this mineral water, especially regarding your erectile function and overall sexual health. The connection between proper mineral balance and sexual performance is stronger than most men realize, and it all comes down to 3 key mechanisms: blood pressure regulation, vascular relaxation, and nitric oxide production. First, let's talk about blood pressure in a way that actually makes sense. Your penis is essentially a hydraulic system. It needs adequate blood pressure to function properly, but not too much pressure that damages the delicate blood vessels. The magnesium in sea salt acts like a natural calcium channel blocker, helping your arteries relax and maintain optimal pressure. Think of it like adjusting the water pressure in your shower. Too little and nothing works. Too much and you damage the pipes. This mineral balance helps you hit that sweet spot. Vascular relaxation is where the magic really happens. The smooth muscle cells that line your blood vessels need to be able to contract and relax on demand. When you're deficient in key minerals, these muscles become stiff and unresponsive. It's like trying to inflate a balloon that's been sitting in the cold. Everything becomes rigid and doesn't work properly. The potassium and magnesium work together to keep these muscle cells flexible and responsive to the signals your body sends when it's time for increased blood flow. Now here's the big one: nitric oxide production. This is the molecule that directly signals your blood vessels to dilate and allow increased blood flow. Without adequate nitric oxide, nothing else matters. The zinc in sea salt is a crucial cofactor in the enzyme that produces nitric oxide. But here's what's really interesting. This process requires proper hydration to work efficiently. When you're even mildly dehydrated, nitric oxide production drops significantly. So you're getting a double benefit: the minerals to support the enzyme function and the hydration to make it all work smoothly. What most men don't realize is that erectile dysfunction is often an early warning sign of cardiovascular problems. The blood vessels in your penis are smaller and more sensitive than those in your heart, so they show problems first. By supporting your overall vascular health with proper mineral nutrition, you're not just improving your sexual function, you're potentially preventing more serious cardiovascular issues down the road. It's like fixing small cracks in your foundation before they become major structural problems. Now, let's talk about the protocol that actually gets results. Remember, I mentioned drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's your foundation. But here's the complete system. Start with the quarter teaspoon in 8 ounces of water every morning for the first week. After that first week, you can assess how your body is responding and make adjustments if needed. Some men find they need slightly more. Others do perfectly fine with this base amount. Here are the signs that tell you it's working. Within the first 3 to 5 days, you should notice improved energy levels and less afternoon fatigue. This happens because your cellular hydration improves and your blood pressure stabilizes. By the end of the first week, many men report better sleep quality. This is the magnesium doing its job on your nervous system. The sexual health benefits typically become noticeable in the second week, as your nitric oxide production ramps up and your vascular function improves. Frequency is crucial for success. This isn't something you do occasionally when you remember. Consistency is everything. Your body needs to rebuild its mineral stores, and that takes time. Think of it like watering a plant. You can't flood it once a week and expect it to thrive. It needs steady, consistent nourishment. The same principle applies here. Daily consumption allows your body to maintain optimal mineral levels instead of constantly playing catch-up. Now, let's talk about adjustments. If you're not noticing any changes after 2 weeks, you might need to increase to 1/3 of a teaspoon, but do this gradually. Some men, especially those who are very active or live in hot climates, may need slightly more due to increased mineral loss through sweat. On the flip side, if you experience any digestive discomfort, reduce the amount slightly. Your body will tell you what it needs if you pay attention to the signals. Here's something important about timing throughout the day. While morning consumption is your primary dose, you can add a second, smaller dose in the evening if you're very active or dealing with high stress levels. Use about half the morning amount, so 1/8 of a teaspoon in 4 to 6 ounces of water about an hour before bed. This can help with muscle recovery and improve sleep quality, but start with just the morning dose first and see how you respond before adding an evening dose. Here's where we take this simple practice and supercharge it with strategic combinations that multiply the benefits. The key is understanding which foods and nutrients work synergistically with these minerals to maximize absorption and amplify the effects on your circulation and sexual health. Think of these as your mineral multipliers, simple additions that can double or triple your results. First, let's talk about vitamin C and citrus. Adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice to your mineral water isn't just for taste. The vitamin C significantly enhances mineral absorption, especially zinc and magnesium. But here's the bonus. Vitamin C is also crucial for collagen production in your blood vessel walls, making them more flexible and responsive. If you want to take this further, eat vitamin C-rich foods about 30 minutes after your mineral water. Bell peppers, strawberries, or kiwi fruit are excellent choices that won't interfere with the absorption. Dark leafy greens are your second secret weapon. But timing matters. About an hour after your morning mineral water, have a handful of spinach, kale, or arugula, either in a smoothie or as part of your breakfast. These greens are rich in nitrates, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Remember, nitric oxide is what signals your blood vessels to relax and allow increased blood flow. You're essentially creating a 1-2 punch. The minerals from your sea salt water support nitric oxide production, and the nitrates from greens provide additional raw material for the process. Healthy fats play a crucial role that most men completely miss. About 2 to 3 hours after your mineral water, include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, wild-caught fish, walnuts, or flax seeds. These fats help maintain the flexibility of your cell membranes, making it easier for minerals to enter your cells where they're needed. Plus, omega-3s have their own anti-inflammatory effects on your cardiovascular system. It's like oiling the hinges on a door. Everything works more smoothly when properly lubricated. Here's a powerful combination that works especially well for men over 50. Pair your mineral water routine with moderate exercise about 30 to 60 minutes later. Even a 15 to 20-minute walk can significantly enhance the circulation benefits you're getting from the minerals. Exercise naturally stimulates nitric oxide production, and when combined with proper mineral nutrition, the effects are amplified. Your blood vessels become more responsive, your heart becomes more efficient, and your overall cardiovascular health improves faster than with either approach alone. Frank's secret finishing touch: he adds a pinch of black pepper to his blend once a week. The piperine in black pepper dramatically increases the absorption of all the other compounds, creating what he calls his turbo day. He noticed that on the days he added black pepper, the effects were noticeably stronger and lasted longer. Try this once you've completed your first 14-day cycle and see how your body responds to this powerful enhancement. Start with 8 ounces of filtered water at room temperature in a glass container. Never use plastic or metal containers as they can interfere with mineral absorption. Add 1/4 teaspoon of high-quality, unrefined sea salt and stir until completely dissolved. Now here's the enhancement. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon and a pinch of cayenne pepper if you can tolerate it. The lemon provides vitamin C for enhanced absorption, while cayenne contains capsaicin, which naturally stimulates circulation and can help open up blood vessels. If cayenne is too intense for you first thing in the morning, start with just a tiny pinch and gradually increase as your tolerance builds. For men who want to maximize the testosterone and energy benefits, here's an advanced version you can try after you've been consistent with the basic formula for at least 2 weeks. Add a teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to your mineral water mixture. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity and can enhance the absorption of minerals. Plus, it provides additional potassium and has been shown to help with weight management, something that directly impacts sexual health and confidence for many men over 50. The timing ritual is just as important as the ingredients. Prepare your mixture as soon as you wake up, before checking your phone or doing anything else. Drink it slowly over 5 to 10 minutes while doing some light stretching or deep breathing exercises. This creates a mindful start to your day and allows your body to fully absorb the minerals without the stress hormones that come from immediately jumping into emails or news. After finishing your mineral water, wait at least 30 minutes before having coffee or eating breakfast to ensure maximum absorption. Here's a variation for evening use if you're dealing with stress or sleep issues. About an hour before bed, prepare a smaller version using 4 ounces of slightly warm water, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. This gentler evening dose can help relax your nervous system and improve sleep quality, which is crucial for testosterone production and overall sexual health. The magnesium in the sea salt acts as a natural muscle relaxant and can help you achieve deeper, more restorative sleep. Remember, good sleep is when your body produces most of its testosterone, so this evening ritual supports your masculine health from multiple angles. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest evidence-based health content. And if this information helped you, please share it with other men who could benefit from these natural solutions. The power of mineral-rich sea salt water lies in its simplicity and consistency. This isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. It's about giving your body the fundamental nutrients it needs to function optimally. Start with that 1/4 teaspoon of quality sea salt in 8 ounces of filtered water every morning on an empty stomach. Be patient with the process and pay attention to how your energy, circulation, and overall vitality improve over the coming weeks. Drop a comment below and let me know how this protocol works for you. And remember to share your experience with other men who might be struggling with similar issues. Always remember, the truth goes beyond the pill.